Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video we are going to be creating some Shrinky Dink earrings. This is with printable Shrinky Dink paper. Let me see if I can lift this up just a little bit. Okay. Alright, better. Okay, and there is two ways that you can do this to try to make it easy on yourself. So with this one, as you can see, I have actual circle sizes, and I actually have little space sizes. What I'm going to be using for those is just some hole punchers. So I have a 1 inch, which is going to be used for these, and I have the 1.5 inch, which I'm going to use for the bigger ones. And also because I love the teddy bear shaped earrings, and these were like a huge hit at my last little event that I did, I'm going to also be using them for these as well. And then for the bigger ones, I'm just going to cut these out the best way that I can. That's pretty much all you got to do. And then you're going to want to have a hole puncher, but you're going to want to have a bigger size. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Like a big, there we go, like a bigger size hole punch than what you would normally use. Like you can see the difference. Like this one I use for my earring cards, but because the paper is going to shrink, you need something that is thicker, I guess. So I'm going to cut these out, but I'm going to show you how I do these. Okay, so that's pretty much how you would do that with the gosh, what are these things called? With the hole punches. And it would be really cute, like if you had hearts, butterflies, flowers. You know, you can get really creative and make some really cute earrings for kids. Now mine was getting jammed, y'all. Like I had to keep using this to pop it out. I do have another one that I could use. I probably could open that up, but I don't want to. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, finish cutting everything out, and then I'll be right back.
Good shot.
Yeah, I can see my reflection.
Good shot, good shot, good shot.
Well, I'm going to speed it up, so it's not going to go slow. Get closer so they can see it.
I can stop it?
Yep. Alright, you guys, so here is all of the little Shrinky Dinks all completed, already done. And just as like a size reference, all of the bigger images when I was creating them, I had 4 inches. So let's now see what 4 inches shrank down to. So almost 2 inches. So it shrinks down about 50%. That's not bad. So as you can see, these are the little 1-inch hole punches. This is what they came out. This is what it looks like. Those are so cute. Those are the 1 inches. Let's see. These are the 1.5. But you know what? I now think these might be. No. So 1.5 is a little bit over half, but not quite. These I think was 3 inches, so let's see. About 2.2, so not bad. I mean, they came out cute. And as you can you see the little, you see how much the hole shrunk down? So, yeah. And so, if you want, you can go ahead and you can coat these with like some Mod Podge, Dimensional Magic. I'm trying to get these, like you see that? Those are so cute. It's like a marble. This one is like a marble as well. Look at that. I don't know. I just really like them, and I think they came out so good. Like I said, you can get creative with this. But the real tiny ones like this, these sold so well, like I said, for little kids. So you can do like little kids earrings. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put the little fixtures and stuff on them, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am all finished, and this is what it's looking like. Look at that. Hold on. Wait, let me get the focus up. There we go. Look at that. And as you can see, they have the shine to it. Look at that. So nice. Now, I will say this. I used the Dimensional Magic. Now, the Mod Podge that I had that I tried to use, y'all, it was no good. And I had thought I had ruined my earrings at first, but I went over them again with a coat of the Dimensional Magic, and they're good. But look, I also did like little sets like this for little kids. Aren't they so cute? I love them. Love them. Love them. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna show. Now, y'all, listen. My desk, don't judge my desk, okay? I'm gonna flip it up, and then I've got like my little $3 earrings up there. Like, y'all, I've been busy. Yes, been busy. Still got a lot to do. I did some more buttons, and this is just with the fabric that I got from Dollar Tree. So you don't need anything fancy. Right now I'm about to work on sublimation earrings and sublimation hair bows. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. And I also did some little cute clip-ons because my daughter's ears are not pierced. But y'all, I forgot I even had like clip-ons. I did her like a whole set, like, y'all. They came out so good, so cute. So yeah, you can also do clip-ons with flat backs. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Oh, these was the ones I wanted to show you guys. Look at that. I think these are like my favorite ones. These are like a marble picture. I love the way that like the marble ones came out. Like they're cute. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. Bye.